Hello, and here are your fire alarm installation and renovation updates number 2. This week's updates include testing the pull stations, smoke detectors, relays, monitor modules, and much more. We've also tested the wiring to make sure it's all wired up correctly. We've also tested all the functions of the panel, including the labeling of devices as well. Monitor modules and relays were made sure they worked properly in order to work with the security system. Thanks for watching and have an amazing day. See you guys next week, and I do plan on posting a video this week. Bye!